Hello everybody, my name is Kris Gethin and I am the CEO of KAGEDMUSCLE. Yes, we have updated our flavor systems. We did it to improve the flavors and the caloric profiles of the products. Customers wanted to use less water, so the new flavors make it more enjoyable while having lower amounts of water. This is especially the case when considering pre-cage and in-cage when you're working out. So nothing, I mean nothing, has been done because of cost. I take it very personal when customers direct negativity towards me personally for the assumption that I am cutting costs. I only wish that you were working within the KM offices, working late nights and tirelessly with my staff to make better products for you, so you could witness firsthand the lengths that we go instead of what you assume based on perception. We thoroughly test all of our new flavors with our entire team and our customer groups before we approve the final flavors and update each product. We did a survey only 5 weeks ago and 96% of you were happy with the changes. But of course, the 4% are very local, but that doesn't mean that we aren't listening and taking it on board. Flavor is very subjective and the majority of the people are happy with the changes, but we always welcome feedback and expect to continue to tweak our flavors with a continual improvement effort. I feel that it's important to state that our formulas are still the same, still using the highest quality ingredients that meet our incredibly high bars that we set. KM is a brand that you can trust. I am a person you can trust. And everything that we do is transparent and that will never change. Thank you very much for listening, guys. We really do appreciate your feedback. So please do leave your comments. And of course, if you're watching this on YouTube, leave a comment, like, and subscribe.